So I want to talk about a narrative writing technique called what I call a three action verb sequence. So in the part of the section of the book that we're using right now, Dashka Slater is describing the crime that happened when Richard set Sasha's skirt on fire on the 57 bus. And she uses a lot of three action verb sentences in this part of the book, and I wanted to show you um, some of the things that she uses. For example, on page 113, Richard glanced at Jamal, grinned, and flicked the lighter a fourth time. So she's using three action verbs in the past tense: glanced, grinned, and flicked, right? Um, the second sentence, Richard heard Sasha's screams. He stopped, turned around, and went back. Again, three action verbs in a sequence: stopped, turned around, and then went back. Okay? So she uses these verbs to show kind of a quick action, things that happened almost at the same time, almost simultaneously. She also uses simple present and the ing form of the verb for second and third verbs in the sequence to make the action seem even more immediate and simultaneous. The ing verb shows these actions are happening at the same time. So I want you to underline the action verbs in these two examples, okay? Numbers 3 and number 4. And then reread the sections called Fire on page 114 and 116 and Watching, page 117, 118, and find two more examples of three action verb sentences that you find in these two sections, okay? Then in these sentences, the following sentence has three actions that happen one right after the other. Write them in one simple sentence to illustrate the actions that happen quickly. Don't forget to add the correct punctuation. So I put three sentences here. The man tells Sasha to get on the ground. The man shoves Sasha to the floor. The man puts his coat over Sasha. So see if you can write one sentence out of those three using three action verbs. The same is for number 2 and 3. Okay, so I'll go ahead and let you do that. And then afterwards, I want you to write two questions that you still have about this section of the book and write what question types you have.